Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be discussing how to file employee professional tax returns. In our previous videos, we have discussed how to file professional tax returns for employees. Now in this video, we'll discuss how to file employee professional tax returns. How to file employer professional tax returns. Before getting into the video, let us understand what are the requirements for filing employer professional tax returns. All employees registered under Professional Tax Act has to submit a return Form 5 every year for the assessing the authority, which means every company or the organization has to submit the returns Form 5 every year to the assessing authority, which is nothing but Professional Tax Department. The tax can be made by a treasury, challan, DD, check e-payment on the full amount of tax due on or before 31st of March every year, for which the return should be filed and can be done online as well. Which means every year an employer or the organization has to pay the professional tax on or before 31st of every financial year, and the respective professional tax returns has to be filed as per the norms. Process of filing employer professional returns. Before filing the employee professional tax returns, the company should get registered with professional tax, and one should have the professional tax identification number, that is nothing but PTIN number, which will be a 12-digit number, where one can log into the professional tax department and make the professional tax payment to the professional tax returns. Once the professional tax amount deducted and deposited to the state government within the due dates, that is 31st of March every year, specific PT return should be filed within the due dates, which means by 31st of March every financial year, professional tax amount has to be paid and the specific professional tax return should be filed within the due dates. Here is a step-by-step guide how to file your employee professional tax returns. Now let's get into the topic how to file professional tax returns for an employer organization in step-by-step process. Step-by-step process of filing employer professional tax returns. Now we'll understand the critical part how to file employer professional tax returns step by step. Then later we'll be explaining practically the process of filing employer professional tax returns. Let's understand the critical part first, then the practicals. Start by locating the official state website of File Professional Tax. You can search online for the right website by entering professional tax login followed by the name of the city or the state. Visit the Telangana Commercial Taxes Department website. On the Commercial Taxes website, under Online Dealer Services, select Existing Dealer and click on PTax Login. PTIN. Enter your Employer Professional Tax Registration Number. Password. Enter your Employer Professional Tax password. Verification code. Enter the verification code shown above and click on Submit button. Employer Professional Tax Registered Portal. Employer Professional Tax Registered Portal will open with different tabs. Returns. Now click on Returns tab. After clicking on the Returns tab, two options will come, which are yearly and monthly. Period. Select the period as monthly for employees and yearly for employer or company. As we are filing returns for employer, we need to select the yearly for employer, and after that we need to select the period yearly. After that we need to select the year period for which we are filing the returns. Slabs in table. A new table will be popped with slabs and fields. Here we need to fill the number of employers whose PT is detected for that specific year. Submit. After filling the details, click on Submit button. Reports. Select the Reports tab and click on Return Reports. After clicking on the Returns tab, two options will come, which are yearly and monthly. Choose yearly and click on the Return ID. This will take you to another window with PT Returns Report Form 5. After generating the return report, remember to save it for future reference. So friends, hope you understand the theoretical step-by-step process for filing the employee professional tax returns. Now let's get into the practical part of it. Open Google and enter Professional Tax Login Telangana. Commercial Taxes Department, Government of Telangana. Here you need to come under Online Dealer Services, and once you drop down, here you will be getting Existing Dealers. Here you need to click on PTax Login. Once you click on PTax Login, Commercial Tax Department, Government of Telangana Professional Tax will open. Here we need to enter the PT number, password, verification code, then click on Submit button. Make sure that the PT number should be of the employer, not for the employees. So once you enter the PT number for the employer and the password, then we need to enter the verification code. After entering the verification code, click on Submit button, and you will be entering the employer portal for professional tax. Here you can see various tabs: Check RC returns, change password, reports, refunds, e-payment. Here we need to click on returns. Here we will be having two options, that is yearly or monthly. As we are making returns for the employer, we need to click on yearly. Then a yearly demand information will be popped out. Here we need to check out the PTIN number, division, profession, type of registration, entry 5, company name and circle. Then we need to set the tax period for which the return is being filed for the financial year 2024. And we need to enter the number of directors. How many directors are? We have 2 directors, we need to enter 2 directors. Number of partners 0, number of branches only 1. So here the amount it's coming for 2 directors 5,000 rupees. If you have only 1 director, it will be 2,500. So after doing that, we need to click on submit button. After submitting, returns are filed. Now we need to go to reports and click on return reports. Here we will be having demand return type monthly or yearly. As we are filing returns for employer, we need to select yearly. Then when you drop down, you will be having reports monthly and yearly together. Here, as we want only yearly, we need to go for the specific financial year. Once you drop down, you can find out the year 2022-23. Here, you need to click on the number and you will be having a enrolled demand entry. So this will be the form or the written report for professional tax returns. So dear friends, hope you understood the theoretical part as well as the practical part, which has explained the step-by-step process of filing employer professional tax returns and how to generate the professional tax return report as well. So dear friends, hope you understood the theoretical part as well as the practical part of how to file professional tax returns for employer or the organization. If you have any queries or questions related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.